Okay, I'm going to show you how to do a manual sync on a multi-location. So, for example, let's say your order online page points to Chesterton and Crown Point. Each one of these are an independent location. So, to do a manual sync at each of these locations, you'll simply log into the backend. So, if you have a multi-site, so when you have more than one location on your WordPress website, you'll see something on the top left of your dashboard called multi-site or My Sites. So, what you do is you click on Network Admin, click on Sites. And then what you would do from here is find that location. So we have Chesterton and Crown Point. So as you can see, these are all the locations that's currently set up. Maybe some of these are not being used or it may become active later. But the ones we're going to focus on are these two, Chesterton and Crown Point. Okay, so what you do is you click on the button here, click on Dashboard, and then go to Chesterton location. And then when you go there, you'll see another dashboard on the left-hand side. This dashboard is specific to Chesterton. So you do a Clover orders here, settings. And then what you do from here, you would select import inventory and then do a manual sync. Again, manual sync is about, scroll halfway down. You go in this order, go from right to left. So update modifiers. Modifiers usually are pretty quick. Categories is pretty quick. Items takes longer based on how many items you have. So in this case, we have 662 items. So I can go ahead and do that, but it'll take a while. So when you do a manual sync, go ahead and wait it out until you get all of it updated. You'll see it says update completed and just press OK. So it's basically checking to see all the changes that were made. After you do a manual sync, just refresh the page and then just visit the website to make sure the changes have been done. If you notice an item still on there that didn't go away or got changed or something and you wanted to make it go away from the website, you can hide it. So you can go to categories, hide the category. If you want to hide the individual item, click on items images. Find that item that even though you did a manual sync, somehow it's still there. Just move your mouse over the item and just press hide from website. But again, manual sync should resolve the problem, but there are some cases where one or two items may not go away. In that case, just do a manual sync. If it's more than one or two items, it's like in the 10s or 20s, then do a clean inventory. Okay, clean inventory is again for this specific location. You go Clover order settings, import inventory, scroll halfway down, you do a clean inventory. Again, use this very rarely because manual sync usually solves all the problems to do updates. Okay, let's go ahead and go to the next location. Next location is Crown Point. Click on My Sites again, Sites, and then find Crown Point. Crown Point is right here. I'm going to click on Dashboard. And you basically follow the same procedure as last time. Again, click on Clover Orders, Settings. Again, this dashboard right here, where we see Crown Point named right here, is unique to Crown Point. So whatever changes you make here only applies to Crown Point. Again, the same process, update modifiers, update categories, update all items, okay? And if you want to go back to the main page where is your main website, again, click on My Sites, Sites, and then find the first one. Find the one without a subdomain. That's the main one. So this is the main website. So click on Dashboard. And then this is your main one. Even though we have Clover orders installed here, since we have a multi-site, we're probably not using it. Just let it be as it is right now. So again, don't do a manual sync at this location, which says Lucrezia Cafe. Do it on these locations here because those are specific to those two locations. Again, let me just show you one last thing. This is called your menu, not your Clover menu, but your menu where they navigate your website. If you click on menus here, you'll notice it'll show your menu structure. So we have home, menus, dining. This is what your menu looks like on your website. Feel free to rearrange them anytime. Let's say you want more focus on Crown Point and less focus on Chesterton. You can just rearrange it, move it up and down. Again, this is not necessary, but I'm just showing you how that works. So you can rearrange your menu and how it drops down on your website, or you can completely remove it. So I can say, you know what, I don't want dessert to show up. I can just press remove. But for now, I'm going to leave everything the way it is. I'm just going to showing you how you can make these changes here. Okay, again, basically your focus once you log in, just to recap, will be My Sites, Network Admin, Sites, and then from there, Again, also go to users and just see if there's any unwanted users still laying around there. You can free those up and just delete them. But for now, I didn't change nothing, but feel free to check those out, okay? Again, my sites, network admin, and sites. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day.